Good morning everyone. Welcome to our e-class of St.Joseph's Academy. This video is for class UKG, subject General Knowledge. This is the revision video for the topics birds, insects and vegetables. Now we will start with our first topic, birds. My dear students, here are some birds' names that we will revise. You have to repeat after me. Let's begin. Crane, sparrow, owl, swan, pigeon, peacock, kiwi, bulbul, penguin, manna, kingfisher, woodpecker, vulture, eagle, parrot and duck. One more time. Crane, sparrow, owl, swan, pigeon, peacock, kiwi, bulbul, penguin, manna, kingfisher, woodpecker, vulture, eagle, parrot and duck. So, these were the names of the birds that we have revised here. Now we will revise the question answers related to this topic. Yes, you have to repeat after me. Question answer also. Question number 1 is here for you. Which is our national bird? Which is our national bird? Peacock is our national bird. Peacock is our national bird. Question number 1. Which is our national bird? Peacock is our national bird. Which bird live in water? Yes, our question number 2. Which bird live in water? Swan lives in water. Swan lives in water. Yes, which bird live in water? Swan lives in water. Question number 3. Which bird like to eat chilli? Which bird like to eat chilli? Parrot likes to eat chilli. Parrot likes to eat chilli. Yes, what was the question? The question was, which bird like to eat chilli? Answer, parrot likes to eat chilli. So these were the 3 question answers related to the topic bird. Now we will come our next topic, insects. So now we will revise the name of insects. Here also you will repeat after me. Yes. Now we will start. Scorpio, housefly, caterpillar, dung beetle, ant, wasp, grasshopper, mosquito, cockroach, butterfly, spider, bedbug, dragonfly. One more time we will revise. Scorpio, housefly, caterpillar, dung beetle, ant, wasp, grasshopper, mosquito, cockroach, butterfly, spider, bedbug and dragonfly. Now we will revise the question answers of this topic. We will revise the question answer of this topic. What was our topic? Our topic is insects. Yes, we have revised the name of the insects. Now we will revise the question answers. Question number 1 is for you. Which insect give us silk? Yes, my dear students. Question number 1 is, which insect give us silk? Silkworm gives us silk. Answer is, silkworm gives us silk. Which insect give us silk? Silkworm gives us silk. Question number 2. Which insect make our food dirty? Which insect make our food dirty? Answer is here. Fly makes our food dirty. Fly makes our food dirty. Yes, what was the question? The question was, which insect make our food dirty? Answer is, fly makes our food dirty. Question number 3. Which insect collect honey? Which insect collect honey? Answer is, honeybee collects honey. Honeybee collects honey. Yes, what was the question? The question is, which insect collect honey? Answer is, honeybee collects honey. Honeybee collects honey. Now we will come to our next topic. Yes, our next topic is vegetables. Our next topic is vegetable. So now we will revise vegetables names and question answers. Yes, so first we will revise vegetables names. Okay, now let's start. Once again, I will say, repeat after me. Brinjal, carrot, radish, peas, potato, green chilli, pumpkin, bitter, tomato, onion, and gourd. Yes, one more time we will revise. Brinjal, carrot, radish, peas, potato, green chilli, pumpkin, bitter, tomato, onion, and gourd. Now we will come to the question answers of this topic. Yes, we have revised the vegetables names. Now we will revise question answer related to the topic vegetables. Yes, our question number 1 is here. Who like carrot most? Who like carrot most? Answer is, rabbit likes carrot most. Rabbit likes carrot most. Yes, which is our question? Our question is, who like carrot most? Answer will be, rabbit likes carrot most. Question number 2. Which vegetable tastes bitter? Which vegetable tastes bitter? Answer will be, bitter gourd tastes bitter. Bitter gourd tastes bitter. Yes, what is our second question? Our second question is, which vegetable tastes bitter? Answer will be, bitter gourd tastes bitter. Yes, we will revise the question answer one more time. Yes, what was our question number 1? Our question number 1, who like carrot most? Who like carrot most? Rabbit likes carrot most. Rabbit likes carrot most. Question number 2, Which vegetable tastes bitter? Which vegetable tastes bitter? Answer is bitter gourd tastes bitter. Bitter gourd tastes bitter. So my dear students, these were the names of the vegetables and the question answers related to the topic vegetables. So these were our 3 topics that we revised in this video. And 3 of these topics, which were our 3 these topics? Birds, insects and vegetables. And we revised here the names of these and the question answers of the topics related to the topics. So I hope you all understood and revised these nicely with me. So my dear students, revise all these topics at home with the help of your parents. Revise all these topics at home with the help of your parents. We will meet in our next revision video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.